How do you cast a fishing line in windy conditions? Imagine trying to toss a paper airplane in a gusty wind. It's tricky, right? Fishing in windy weather can be just as challenging, but with the right techniques, you can still land your lure where the fish are hiding. When you're on a boat or standing on the shore, wind can push your line off course or cause tangles. The key is to adapt your casting style to keep control and accuracy. First, position your bow or yourself so the wind is at your back or at least not directly blowing into your face. Casting into the wind makes your line fall short and less precise. If you can, turn your boat to face away from the wind or find a sheltered spot near structures like docks or piers. Using the right gear also helps. Braided fishing lines are a good choice because they are thinner and less stretchy than monofilament or fluorocarbon lines. This means less slack and better sensitivity, which is important when wind is trying to mess with your line. When casting, keep your rod tip low and close to the water surface. This reduces the amount of line exposed to the wind and helps keep tension. Make your casts firm and deliberate, avoiding soft or lazy throws. Use your thumb to gently hold the line on the reel spool when you cast, which helps prevent backlash and keeps the line tight. If the wind is really strong, consider using a heavier lure or adding extra weight to your line. Heavier lures cut through the wind better and help you reach your target. For fly fishing, choose a rod with a flexible tip and a heavier line weight to make your loops tighter and reduce wind resistance. When fishing from a boat, anchoring can stabilize your position, making it easier to focus on your cast instead of fighting the boat's movement. Alternatively, fishing near structures like docks or pilings offers some protection from the wind and concentrates fish in easier-to-reach spots. Shorter, controlled casts are often more successful in windy conditions because they give you better line control and reduce tangles. Remember to be patient and adjust your technique as needed. With practice, you'll find that even in gusty weather, you can still make accurate, effective casts that land your lure right where the fish are waiting.